Is he hit?
It is.
Okay, he's gone again.
Are you alright, medic? Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Nice.
That's 5 metres to you, I think. Can we get it?
Yeah, red's there, hit.
Yeah, you go. You clear.
Got you. Close, got you. You alright? Yeah.
Where the fuck is that coming from? Oh, I didn't get there in time. There's rounds coming
Go hit
from.
again. You're out, right?
Feed him what?
No, I got hit with your words.
I can't hear you.
Aye.
Yeah.
Aye, that's good.
If are you getting hit again? Probably better off pulling him behind a tree.
Be on there.
Maybe the sniper in a bush over there.
Oh shit. Crossing.
Hit! That's it.
Oh,
Hit! Hit!
is that the Jeep?
Yeah.
Oh, who's got it? Us.
We have, but it's in a bit of a stalemate where it is. As you can see.
We've got the Jeep here, guys. The Jeep's here. I think it's under fire though, just through there.
Ceasefire! There's someone there then.
Yeah, it's alright, I'm in control of it, don't worry guys, just stay where you are. Nobody turn back, just stay where you are.
They are legal. That's fucking shit. Sorry, mate. Fucking hell. I was like, oh, it's going to be a bang. They'll just put everything went black. Like, fucking hell.
You wasn't sat down, was you?
I just stood up.
Oh, no, you were standing up the same distance I was away. I know it was coming.
Sorry, dude. You're alright. Yeah, I'm really sorry. Oh, you met me in earlier, so I think it's payback. Sorry. Do you want to sit in the Jeep? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
I would have liked to have got that on video. Did he pass out? Oh dear.
Sorry, Woody. I had to shout ceasefire, mate. He was out.
That fucked me up.
Sorry, mate.
Start the game off again, please guys.
Sorry.
Oh, that would have been a great video, that was. Oh, that's funny, that is. They're good, they are. How much are them?
£6 these are.
That's
I've
six.
just back Bamford out one of these. He was out cold on the floor. He was out cold. He just shot me in the face, so...
Fair enough. Fair play. Yeah. Good game, Paul.
What?
4. Watch that one there.
Rabbit
Oh,
hole,
no.
rabbit hole, rabbit hole.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Dead. I can see him.
See there, across the board. Behind the tree, above the guy that's up the tree. Look on pointing, the guy that's sitting on the floor, 3 above him. Directly above him, crouching behind the tree. See him?
He's falling behind them sandbags.
He's hit, he's hit.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh! What a dude! What
Nice.
a dude!
I think we can advance now, can't we?
We could possibly use that as rolling cover and get it to move.
Can we move forward?
Chris, move it up.
Stop!
Fucking hell.
Whoa!
Fucking hell. It's alright, can I just go back?
Duck down, little bastard. You know your nade? Yeah. You lob it straight over there, there's a couple.
Sorry, I'll come up.
2 minutes. Whoa, fucking hell. One more. Being medic.
Nice.
Sorry, mate. Behind the white thing, whatever you call it, is being medic, so...
They've all given up anyway.
Yeah, we can't just walk off. A new pair of medics each other now, if you can't medic each other again.
They're all hit.
Yeah.
Push up. I think they're all done. Have we got this Jeep then, or we're not?
Yeah, we got the Jeep now, we've got to take the Jeep.
Once we're done, boys. Yeah.
You get down, watch that guy down there. Down in front of the Jeep, behind the tree.
One by the tree as well. There's 2 down there.
In fact, we can go up and fucking take them out.
Right in the fucking mouth.
You're right.
Yeah, yeah.
If you can get behind that tree, might be able to get a bit closer.
Where is he? Where?
There's 2 down there, just behind that brick wall, along that road.
Watch that. By the dam. By the dam, look there.
I'm down with the Jeep at the moment, we've got it.
Slide front shirt.
He's got fucking great range from there. Ooh!
Got him! Right
Top of the hill!
Top of the hill.
Watch the sniper on the top.
Fucking rear.
Fucking hurt your shoulder, but it's so funny. Oh, yeah,
You respawned yet? You coming back down?
Come on, Blue! Advancing!
Blue's in the bush there. Who threw that?
Blue medic!
Just got killed by me on team.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In fact, there's more than one. Nice one. Nice. Yeah, I'll move you to this tree if you want. Wow. Are you behind me? I'm running out of ammo. Oh shit! Jump! Jump! Is there one still behind the black things? Oh, they're all dead then. Oh, I fucking hit. I think there's one alive up there at least.
I've just shot them both.
Have you?
Oh yeah, but one of them's crouching. Oh, they're standing up now.
Yeah, they're medicing each other, aren't they?
Well, I was, I only knew all about it.
Guys, you've got movement ahead.
Yeah, they are definitely medicing each other, and I'm out. Oh no, I'm not. that was funny.
Can you revive?
I did, yeah. I think I was recording that. You took one in the kneecap, didn't you?
Well, yeah.
Someone will have to run over to. What's up, mate? Yeah, I knew that. Do you think I got him?
Yeah.
He didn't
realise they were that close.
We ran down, it took a chance. I didn't give him really much chance not to call that, did I? Loads of reds on the hill. On the hill! I'm out. Fuck. Shit. Hit, hit, hit! Hit, hit! Coming out! Fucking hell. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, we didn't.
Come on.
Go now.
They're starting to move off.
About 10 of them hiding at the end of the path. Copy that. Get him, get him.
Fucking hell.
Hey! Maddie! We're Maddie!
Sorry.
Good attempt, lads.
Fucking hell.
Hit!
Ah, hit. Fucking hell. Straight through the tree. I'm back in. Yeah, come over here. 1, 2, 3,
Benches with friends.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'll film that. We do not speak ill of the Lord's name here.
Red.
Ah, it's on the edges.
Oh, right on me noggin.
So it's not intentional.
I say, why are you fucking medicine there?
I forgot you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're coming from that side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 2 just up there, mate. 2. Josh, 2 that way.
I don't mean anything, but just letting. I think keeping that.
Ah! Come on, stick your head out. Haha, they're both dead. We've got people coming up behind apparently, Aaron said. Wasted those 2. Aaron, you're. Oh, fuck. Oh, wherever that fucking come from.